When learning the pendulum and hurricane kick, I suggest you don't kick the floor. So what I want you to do is use your power leg. My power leg is my right leg. And I want you to kick it back and forth, back and forth. Your other leg is going to be on all four wheels and just going back and forth. Okay, so you're going to be kicking back and forth and your other leg's going to go back and forth. Or swing it back and forth. And now you're going to kick and turn. But when you kick and turn, you're going to be pivoting with one leg. So you're going to be kicking, pivoting, kick, pivot, turn, on heel, and toe. Kick, pivot, turn, on heel, and toe. And now try it 2 times. 1, 2, land. Go again 2 times. And now you're going to land on your heel and your toe. Heel, toe. This helps with momentum and also for good landing, for balance. So now you're going to see how high you can kick. This will also help you with your balance if you keep on doing this. And like I said before, if you can't pivot, you will not be able to do this move. You have to learn to pivot. You can't crawl before you can walk. As newbie skaters, I know it's really appealing to try harder moves, but we don't need anybody ending up in the hospital, okay? So please try crawl before you can walk, please. So now we're going to try it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. And now we're going to try it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 turns, but not 8 kicks, but I've still got 8 turns. Thank you, everybody. Hopefully this helps people with their pendulum and hurricane kicks.